Nutrition in ruminants. Ruminants are those animals who eat grass, like cow and buffalo. This grass contains the plant fiber called cellulose, which takes longer time to get digested. That is why these ruminants have a special type of digestion. What they do? These animals first chew the food quickly and swallow it. Then the food is brought back from the mouth to the stomach and then chew again. And this process is called as rumination or chewing the cud. Now afterwards, this food is then swallowed again and is digested in various chambers of the stomach. There are 4 chambers present in the stomach. These 4 chambers are rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Now what happens? First, these ruminants start eating the food. They take the food into their mouth and directly swallow it and store it in rumen. In this chamber, billions of bacteria and protozoas are present. These bacteria and protozoa secretes an enzyme called as cellulase. This cellulase helps in the breakdown of cellulose. Then this partially digested food is then transferred into the another chamber, that is reticulum. In this chamber, that broken cellulose is converted into cud. Now this cud is brought back into the mouth of these ruminants. Now these ruminants again chew the food and this time they swallow it and bring it into the third chamber by traveling through reticulum, rumen and then finally in omasum. In this chamber, the water content of the curd is being absorbed. Then afterwards, the curd is finally transferred into the true stomach of these ruminants, that is abomasum. This abomasum is a true stomach. This stomach secretes several gastric juices which completes the digestion. This is the way how these ruminants digest their food. Just look at this flow chart. First, the food is taken into the mouth, chewed quickly and swallowed and transferred into the rumen. In rumen, there are billions of bacteria and protozoas are present, which breaks this cellulose present in the grass. Then from rumen, it is transferred into the reticulum. In this reticulum, that broken cellulose is turned into cud. Now afterward, from reticulum, that cud is brought back into the mouth. Then they again chew the food and transfer the chewed food into the omasum by passing through rumen reticulum. Now in omasum, that chewed cud comes and the most of the water is being absorbed in omasum. Now after this, the food is finally transferred into the last chamber of the stomach, that is abomasum, and this abomasum is a true stomach of these ruminants. In this, several gastric juices are secreted which completes the digestion, and afterwards all the processes are similar as we have studied in the digestive system. Teeth of ruminants. Ruminants have incisors, molars, and premolars, but they don't have canines because these animals do not tear flesh, they only eat plants, so they don't need canine. They have sharp edge incisors in the front, which is used for cutting the grass, and their molars and premolars are broad and flat, which help them to chew the food. Thank you, class.